to change the hood supports on this works for the 2004 to 2014 TLs. It works on other model Acuras also. So basically all you do is you push down on this pin here with a flathead, and then this pulls out. Okay, so that's it. And then you just put a flathead here on this, pry it forward, and it comes right out. That's it. Change the hood support. Less than a minute. So then the new ones, I'll put a link in the description below for the hood supports that I purchased. You just take the bottom end, which is this end, and push it, snaps in, and then you turn the top here, push this in here on the top, and that's it. You put in your new hood supports. This is the older one. What it was doing was, it was like every time I was working on the hood of her car, this is a 2013 TL, and what happened was that the hood would keep falling on my head. So this is just it's the same process for all the other models too, the TL, some of the MDXs and everything and all that too. This is how you change the hood support. It's that easy. It took what was that, like 1 minute to just replace that one side. So now I'm gonna replace this side, and we'll catch back the video for you guys. All right, so basically I just did the same process that I did on this side. This is the old strut. This looks like the OEM ones, the OEM factory ones. Oh yeah, well, it's no good. This is an aftermarket brand that I purchased. It's ECCP. It's on Amazon. So basically what I'm gonna do is just snap this one in, which the bottom half, okay, when you look at it, the part that's at the bottom of it, down here where the tabs are, this one goes to the base, and then this long part on the top here goes to the top. So what you do is you line up the hole here, and those little snap rings inside, those will snap down on this ball pivot here, and then that's how it's hold on. So when you use a flathead and you pry here, what it does is it pulls the pin back, and that releases the strut. Snap that in, and then you just turn the top here, which turns. If it's not lining up, then you just push the hood up a little bit, and then you push, and it snap in, and that's it. The hood supports are in. That's it. These are the older ones. Put this on the ground. And now we're gonna try it. That's down. That's open. Down again. Okay. I gotta compound this hood. And then it comes up. Slowly. And it works. Hold it up. Works perfectly. Good. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More 4th gen videos coming. Alright.